paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a cute little owl today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we require our paper, sketch pen, pencil, eraser and crayons. Let's start tracing the drawing. Well, I have made it with a pencil first and then I'm making it with a sketch pen. First, we will start by making the entire owl with a pencil. And then start tracing it. Let's try and draw on the pencil lines. Well, once we are done with the owl, let's start making the leaves and the branch. Now it's time for us to erase all the pencil marks. Make sure you do not keep any pencil marks. Now, let's color the owl. We will take our green color and start coloring. Yes, we need to start with the outline. We will outline all the parts and then color in standing line. And then color in one direction. We will not leave any white spaces in the middle. Green is done. Now it's time for us to take the next color. Well, you can choose your favorite color. We will keep a gap in the middle and then color the next part. And now it's time for us to take a darker purple and fill these gaps. Let's color this nicely. Make sure you do the outline and then color inside. Lovely! Let's take the yellow color and start coloring inside. Yes, we are going to make our owl colorful. This looks so beautiful, isn't it? Did you know that yellow and orange are warm colors? And purple and green are cool colors. We can use the light colors and the dark colors for a shading effect. Let's do the ears with yellow color and the legs or the feet with blue color. Why don't we take green color for the leaves? And complete all the leaves. And finally, for the branch, we can take a green color as well. You can use a tissue paper to avoid smudging. You can keep it under your palm and start coloring. Also, you can use blue color for the eyes. And finally, you can do the background with pink color. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.